Where does the name for Pentre Tafarnyfedw come from? So today I'm in Pentre Tafarnyfedw. It's a small hamlet really just outside Llanrwst in Conwy County. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Pentre. Now Pentre means a town or a village. Then we have Tafarnyfedw. Tafarnyfedw can be broken down further into tafarn, which means a tavern or a pub, and it comes from the Latin word taberna, meaning a tavern. Then we have which means the, and then we have fedw. Now fedw is the soft mutation of the word bedw, and it means birches or a group of birch trees. It comes from the Proto-Celtic word betwios. So the name for Pentre Tafarnyfedw is clearly tied in with a famous pub of some kind, but I don't actually know where it was. I assume it had birch trees around it or was prominent for its birch trees. If you know where it is, let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested to know. So the name means the town of the Tavern of the Birches. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.